Hi, we're talking today about a recent session that APOS did with SAP. So I'm happy to have Jeanne Bigonnet with us from SAP. And the topic of our session was around analysis for Office scheduling and broadcasting, and around integration update for Office and SAC. So, Jeanne, very glad to have you here with us today. And I want to jump into things quickly. During your update around integration with SAC, you talked about the two streams of integration, one being for analysis for Microsoft Office or analysis for Office, and that being a very well used technology. One that is not the main area of development. In fact, the focus of development is around the second technology, the add-in for Microsoft Excel. Hoping that you can give us a bit of an update into some of those topics today.
Yes, thanks, Alan. Yes, actually, today SAP invests in a new tool named Cybernetics Cloud Add-in for Microsoft Office Excel. And this tool is fully integrated with Cybernetics Cloud. And this tool is where we put our strategic investment, actually. And this tool is not the successor of Analysis for Office. Because of the name of the product, you already understand that as soon as you get a Cybernetics Cloud subscription, you can use the product to connect to different models. So you can connect to Aquarian model, especially if you want to do planning. But also we now provide different live sources like S4HANA or BW Live or DataSphere. And recently we have provided the HANA Cloud Live connection. This product is built on the new JavaScript technology provided by Microsoft, which gives benefit for customer to deploy it once from the Microsoft Store as an application and to use it on Excel desktop or Excel online version. And also, if you want to work with the Windows environment or if you are using a Mac, you can also benefit from this add-in. Because also of this new technology, as soon as we create new feature or when we fix bugs, you don't have to do anything. It will be directly send it to you as any cloud product. So this is the new add-in on Excel where SAP invest. And now I would like to have a look on the high level roadmap for this product. Thank you, Alan. And first of all, by the end of this year, we would like to provide a new, what we name custom function. So in the product, you have different way to work with Excel. And one of these is to use flexible specific function from SAP. And with that new function, we want to provide the capability to create asymmetric filter, to create reports, really showing what you would like to see. Like in this example, you would like to see the actual data for the first quarter of the year and the forecast data for the next 2 quarters. Secondly, we want to provide the capability to add comments in Excel. So the capability to add and retrieve comments from Cybernetics Cloud acquired data for the first release only. This is also planned by the end of this year. And for next year, one important thing that we would like to provide is a new workflow. Today, the workflow starts in Excel connected to Cybernetics Cloud. And in the future, we would like to provide a capability to jump from the story in Cybernetics Cloud, so from the browser in the story directly to Excel, of course, keeping the filters that you have defined in your story. So that's mainly the highlight of the latest feature we want to address by the end of this year and early next year. Also important to mention is another new add-in, not for Excel, but for PowerPoint that SAP has just released on the last quarter, on the last QRC. It's named Cybernetics Cloud add-in for Microsoft Office PowerPoint, and it's exactly the same concept. It's a brand new, it's based on this brand new technology. So it's a new add-in that you can get from the Microsoft Store. And using this PowerPoint add-in, you can directly connect to your stories, retrieve the stories, and decide which widget you want to retrieve in PowerPoint and refresh directly when you like to create your presentation. So this is also another add-in quite new from SAP side on the Microsoft Office environment with SAP Analytics Cloud.
That's great, Jen, and clearly there's a lot of good development that's happening there. A lot of strong potential that's taking shape there. The second topic that we covered on our webinar was around scheduling and broadcasting of analysis for Office, and we focused on how the APOS publisher for cloud now supports analysis for Office, all editions, and being able to do that scheduling, broadcasting, bursting of analysis for Office documents. We'll talk more about that in another segment, but for now, Jen, thanks for this update.